Good afternoon. Welcome to SAP Now Virtual Experience. My name is Rui de Souza and I'm the Industry Value Advisor responsible for utilities in the MENA South region. In this session, I'm going to be discussing how COVID-19 is providing a short circuit to accelerate digital transformation in the utility sector and the transition towards what we call at SAP an intelligent enterprise. If you have any questions during this session, please write them on the chat box provided. I will also include my contact information if you would like to contact me.
Okay, once again, I will discuss how COVID-19 is providing a short circuit to accelerate digital transformation in the utility sector. First and foremost, let's remind ourselves about the noble and bold vision that utilities need to pursue for the future to deliver safe, reliable, and sustainable energy products and services. This is not easy. Some call it the industry trilemma. In addition to it, it must be focused on customers that are more demanding than ever. Finally, innovation, including digital, will be key to achieve this vision. In parallel to these, utilities have to deliver on 4 strategic priorities over the next 3 to 5 years. Number 1, distributed energy resource operations. Using sensors and automated meters attached to power consumption or power generation devices to deliver input to calculate and offer demand increase and reduction of capacity to stabilize the power grid. Number 2, smart and efficient distribution. This is about using smart asset operations and maintenance as key drivers for cost-efficient, compliant, and safe power generation. Based on sensor data, predictive analytics enable smarter asset management with a fully digital allocation of spare parts, work orders, and logistical services. Number 3, demand and supply balancing services. The intermittent character of distributed generation, i.e. renewables, creates opportunities around balancing services in the energy system, either by storing cheap and releasing expensive energy, or by influencing the demand side to shift consumption and save energy. Number 4, omni-channel retail to digitalize consumers. Consumers expect reliable, greener, and affordable energy supply with the maximum convenience. Although impact on utilities is not as pronounced as in other sectors, COVID-19 still affects utility operations end-to-end in a perfect storm. Human resources are affected through social distancing imperatives. That makes asset operations more complex to plan and to organize, not helped by supply chain disruptions. Call center operations are disrupted with imperative to work from home. Meter readings are difficult. Patterns of consumption are unexpected, making balancing services harder. Service operations can be further disrupted as third-party contractors may not be available. Finally, reduced industrial and commercial operations can create cash flow issues and, due to intermittent nature of the renewables, put extra pressure on conventional power generation. This is causing a storm. But focusing on COVID, let us not forget the overall industry context. We see multiple mega transformation teams and industry trends. With finite resources, we must rethink about the entire product life cycles and sustainable energy. With cities housing 2/3 of the global population, we need to think about livable cities and what does that mean for utility sector and more convenient ways to interact with customers. Our industry is responding already with the growth of renewable energy that is becoming more affordable. However, its intermittent nature is adding complexity to system operations. In addition, quick wins on efficiency have been captured. Utilities need agility, leveraging automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and network in ecosystems to create scale efficiently. Utilities are already innovating their business models and embracing digital. COVID-19, therefore, is not creating new trends or business drivers, is only accelerating many of those. At SAP, we believe the utility leaders of the future will be the intelligent enterprises that optimize current processes, extend business processes beyond the obvious efficiency gains to capture value, and transform the value chain or the business model. We help utilities automating repetitive tasks for employees to focus on higher value activities. That's our vision. To support this vision towards intelligent enterprise, SAP helps utilities as they evolve their strategic priorities. What could this mean to them? Imagine a world with full consumer and prosumer centricity, addressing their needs for convenience and for optimization of both consumption and energy contribution back to the grid. Imagine a world of self-healing networks with automated redirection of energy flows ahead of potential failures, automated work orders and requests for spares, minimizing overall manual activity levels and related costs. Imagine a world where smart meters not only avoid manual readings, but provide insights for power producers, consumers, and prosumers, those that not only consume as traditionally, but also produce locally and can contribute back to the grid, on how to save energy, where, when to store and dispatch energy, and providing real-time energy balancing and settlements. This is not the future. The technologies already exist today, and it is up for utility companies to embrace this. SAP mission globally is to enable critical business capabilities to help the world run better and improve people's life. This is about a brighter future. This is about helping the industry developing core processes, fulfilling the needs of new business models. This is about helping the industry to use the most diverse, traditional and new support and management processes as enablers for the transformation journey. SAP provides a full framework for the intelligent enterprise. We offer the digital backbone platform for data orchestration and applications integration across all processes, both in the cloud and on-premise. This is important. We don't only advocate cloud for multiple advantages it provides, but we continue developing our expertise and most of our software on-premise for the utilities that continue to prefer it. On top of these, we had an intelligent suite for automated end-to-end business processes where it matters the most, your core operations. These extend from HR to procurement. And this is not unlike what we've been trying to do and helping our utility clients for the last 48 years. We finally now, and this is newer, include intelligent technologies, including machine learning and other artificial intelligent technologies to detect patterns, to predict outcomes and suggest actions, or even fully automate them using, for example, robotics process automation. We have enhanced this framework most recently with Qualtrics acquisition, focusing now on what we call experience management. Let me explain two types of data an organization needs to deliver a great experience: operational data, all data, and experience data, X data. Operational data includes sales, finance, HR data, all the stuff from your day-to-day operations. Tells you about your win rate, profitability by product line, employee attrition, etc., etc. All really important stuff. However, it only tells you what happened in the past. It does not look into the future, which explains why there are still so many surprises in the business. Experience data, on the other hand, is about human factor data, covers beliefs, emotions, and sentiments, tells you much more about the future, what to expect. X data is fundamentally different from O data. Unfortunately, whilst most organizations are already rich on operational data, even if at times have challenges trying to leverage it, they are typically poor on experience data. Following acquisition of Qualtrics completed in 2019, we usually capture experience data from 1.8 million experience touchpoints to better understand why things happen, to better give, to better provide us insights into the future. Clients combining both types of data, turning a much wider range of insights into action, and hold a significant competitive advantage over peers. Intelligent utilities digitalize themselves to manage their assets and serve their customers better than ever before by engaging employees better, optimizing asset operations, innovating the digital energy network, rethinking customer interactions. They will enable innovations across the value chain. COVID only accelerates this. Less workforce available makes it more urgent to rethink about how we inspect and maintain assets. Not only we need to embrace remote and intelligence monitoring, but leverage analytics to optimize and reduce the overall number of interventions. How we read meters and use close to real-time data will help us signaling opportunities for storage and for export back to the grid. This is more important now under this distributed generation than ever. This will also enhance energy settlements by providing better insights to all stakeholders and improving customer experience. And automated readings will allow us more accurate and clearer reading, reducing the bill to cash cycle. Of course, these are a few examples on how we help utility clients becoming intelligent enterprise, but I will not in today's session try to take you through everything in this slide. In the short term, however, to safeguard customers through the COVID-19 storm, SAP offers a few solutions that will make a difference. Let me mention but a few. Around worker health and safety, we offer SAP Environmental Health and Safety integrated with our Enterprise Asset Management Suite, which enables tracking and monitoring of worker health geospatially and management of targeted responses. SAP Meter Energy and Water Data Management enables remote meter reading, services provisioning, and network monitoring. SAP SuccessFactors enables agile planning and workforce analytics. In conjunction with SAP multiple resource scheduling, this will optimize the scheduling of work and the tools to ensure maximum productivity. Qualtrics will also enable us to get a pulse on how employees are feeling during these difficult times. With regards to remote work, SAP Fiori streamlines transition from office to home through a consistent user interface. SAP Litmus helps train customers to newly assigned tasks. SAP is also offering currently a free remote readiness and effectiveness academy for employees suddenly working remotely. When it goes to call center automation, conversational AI brings intelligence to interactive voice response, reducing demand on call center agents. Intelligent robotic process automation will automate many customer interactions end-to-end. On contingent staffing at present, SAP Fieldglass empowers hiring of qualified contractors, supporting contractor onboarding and their remote work. Finally, SAP Analytics Cloud provides deep insight into all areas of the business, from network performance to customer behavior, from stay-at-home orders to customer well-being and health. These are difficult times, but as our co-CEOs recently mentioned to all of SAP and to our extended SAP family, our customers, together we will persevere.
I hope this session was helpful and thank you for attending it. I'll be available in the chat room for a bit longer to continue the dialogue. Please feel free also to schedule a call with me at any time. Thank you and have a great day.